LPT. Keep a note on your phone for your significant other's wants throughout the year. Hello. If any of you are like me, Christmas and birthdays arrive and you're completely clueless what to get them. Lucky for you, I have a simple and effective tip. Open up notes on your phone and start an ongoing list of the things they tell you they want throughout the year. If you two are sitting on the couch and they say I want, just open your handy notes and add it. Nothing groundbreaking, and I'm sure I'm not the first to think of this. But if you stay on top of it, you'll have an abundance of choices when the time comes. I started my list about 2 years ago and it's saved my ass for every single occasion. Good luck. Hope this helps at least one person. This really works. I use a private Amazon list. It makes holidays so much easier. And they are amazed by your thoughtful gifts. Bonus. Yeah, this is a good one. I also do it for date ideas and restaurants I want to visit. Going for dinner but stuck for ideas on where. There's a list for that. Or if you and your spouse have largely dispensed with gift-giving occasions, allow yourself the opportunity to surprise your partner with a thoughtful gift just because it's a Tuesday in May. We don't do birthday or Christmas gifts in our house. But just because gifts are definitely a thing here, it feels so much more genuine and there's less pressure around the holidays. This also really works for yourself. I can never think of something I want for my birthday when it's coming up, so I keep a list to which I add things when I think of them during the year. I do this for my partner and myself. I'll add anything she says she wants, or if she gets annoyed, frustrated at something. Like this year I gifted a ponytail hat because we went hiking and she was saying she hates hats because she can't wear a pony with them. I use the bubbles to list on notes so I can cross them off them when I gift them. Then I put the year as the heading for each section. That way I can track how many practical versus fun gifts I'm giving. Lol. Since she doesn't get the same enjoyment from gifts that solve her problems. I do this. They mention something they need or want, and I casually check my phone. Been doing this for years. I also keep track of what I've bought loved ones, so I don't duplicate gifts. Notes are so convenient for grocery shopping too. Just ran out of onion powder? On the list I even share it, so if my so is going to the store they have the same list to use. Different husband. This is a good idea and actually works really well for any family members you want a presents for on occasions. But my partner and I have decided that giving gifts is a bit pointless for both birthdays and Christmas. So we buy a holiday for each other on Christmas now, as it's a much better use of money. Such good advice. I don't use notes. I email name occasion idea to myself, so I can just search the name, any name, when I need it. I think I made this exact same post a couple years ago, but I would add to set it as a reminder. When they mention something, jot it down. I suck at getting gifts, but there've been times I look like the most thoughtful partner because I happen to have a note pop up either the first day of the month of her birthday or first day of December to get X. My son did this for his wife, and we made a special trip to Williams-Sonoma to get cake icing. She has about 100 of them already, and he didn't record what kind. Specific. Because you won't remember. Great tip. I kept my last GF's likes and dislikes under her contact in my phone. I started doing this a couple years ago after my wife was upset that her big Christmas presents from me were a charm necklace she deemed granny jewelry and the Fast and the Furious 4K Blu-ray box set because she liked the first movie.